I'm very happy that the responses have been so good. I'm more looking forward to the responses from the audience in the cinemas over the weekend now. So it's great to interact with Twitter fans and stuff.
It's a very commercial film, very commercial film.
It's
Running houseful. Her brother in Chennai couldn't get a ticket in Chennai. Globus is houseful right now. We've heard some. We were in Pune yesterday. E Square was houseful. Very commercial film. I was inspired by my cousin Malini, who has cerebral palsy and has a zest for life. Loves to have her drinks. Wants to be in love and have romances. And to make people understand that it doesn't matter who you are and whether you're in a chair or not chair, we all have the same desires and needs as human beings. And it's telling you a teenage love story of somebody who just happens to be in a wheelchair.
The real reason is because Kalki is immensely talented, of course, but her in first go, her smile gave me an inspiration that she captured that zest, that energy, that spirit of Malini, who inspired this story, Shonali's cousin. So I just bounced with Shonali that is this face, is this smile that can capture your Laila that you have in your mind, and she just loved that idea. And we went to Kalki with the script, and she loved the script.
It wasn't difficult because it's something that I love to do as an actor, to prepare. But definitely it was scary. That would I be able to pull this off? You can't guarantee if you're going to be able to do something like this until you try it. So going into an unknown territory is scary, but I enjoyed the process and I learned a lot as an actor, as a person as well.
पहले तो जब भी कल्कि स्टेज में आती थी ना, पूरी ऑडियंस में एक ऐसी आवाज़ आ जाती थी, क्योंकि वो सोच भी नहीं सकते कि इस लड़की को सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी नहीं है. सो जहाँ पे भी अवार्ड्स भी मिला है, ज्यूरी ने कहा कि अच्छा ये ऐसा एक्टर कैसा मिला जिनके पास सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी है और इतनी अच्छी एक्टर है. तो इंटरनेशनल पूरा जो रिस्पॉन्स था, किसी का विश्वास नहीं था कि इनके पास सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी नहीं है. सो दैट वाज वन ह्यूज थिंग. और दूसरी बात है, लोग को इतना पसंद आया फिल्म, जहाँ पे भी हमने दिखाई, जो भी देश में, हमने सोचा टोरंटो में लग जाएगी, लेकिन बुसान में, साउथ कोरिया, जापान, हमारा पहला कंट्री जो खरीदा फिल्म, ये हमारे लिए बहुत अनएक्सपेक्टेड है और बहुत एक्साइटिंग है कि दुनिया में इतने सारे अलग अलग देशों में इस फिल्म पसंद आई.
ये सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट है कि that it's so believable for people that they didn't know that I didn't have cerebral palsy. So that's fantastic. And for me, the best experience was Toronto, because it was the first time I was seeing the film on big screen and with the audience. So first, of course, 5-10 minutes of the film, I was criticizing myself, and I was, you look at it from a technical angle because you're an actor and everything. But then within 10 minutes, I was so into the story that I was crying when I saw Revati on screen and playing my mother. I completely connected, and I was laughing in parts, and it was like I was reliving the film for the first time. So that was great for me.
No, I am a disability activist in real life, so I'll carry on the movement. Or for instance, when I made a film on genocide, people felt that my next film now will be on Gujarat and next will be on the next genocide, and we should not have more genocides. And as an activist, I will stop them, but it doesn't mean that in filmmaking I'm only interested in that. I want to try a myriad of different things, different subjects. In fact, I don't want to do anything to do with disability in cinema again. Not because I don't care about the cause, because I want to explore in cinema different things.
I think we need hundreds of films like this, and Margarita with a Straw, if it does really well commercially, if it's a film that does well over this weekend and over the next few weeks, then I think it'll give a lot of encouragement to studios and producers to put money into so-called small films or experimental or risky or whatever it is, because I think the audience is asking for it, and we're seeing those lines blur. A film like Queen is a good example of a film which was supposed to be small but became a commercial hit. So definitely the steps are going in that direction. But you can't have one film that changes the whole world. You have to have many.